Hey guys, I hope we're all having a wonderful day and we're all doing well. I've got to get something straight with you guys. So, one of the most important things for you to do in life is to be authentic. Okay, that's one of the main purposes of life, is for you to actually be authentic. And it's a lot harder than you think, because everyone around you and whatever you see in the world is not really authentic, is it? It's all fake. It's all a facade. It's all a cover up. And it's actually very hard for you to be someone who's very truthful and authentic to yourself, because the world works the other way. Okay, for you to be authentic, you're going against the grain, and it is going to be much harder than just being normal. But you're not a sheep. You don't want to be with the flock. You want to go in your own direction, in the opposite direction, and that's where you're going to find your fulfillment. Okay, your authenticity is everything. If you're someone who's not happy within yourself, and you're still making money, and you can go out and you can buy whatever you want, and you can have whatever you want, but you're not happy with yourself, you're never going to be happy. Okay, if you cannot be yourself, you're never going to be happy. So you do have to go against the grain. You do have to show up being authentic to yourself. Not only is it going to be good for yourself, but once you master it, it's going to be good for other people, because they're going to look at you from a different perspective, and they're going to see that you're just being a normal you. You're not faking anything. Okay? And it's going to be a domino effect. They're going to take that on, and they're going to start learning how to be authentic themselves. And that's what life is about. It's all about learning, and unconsciously, you don't know, but you might be teaching someone else. You just don't know. But the main purpose of you is to be authentic, be real to yourself, do things that make you feel good, okay? Do things that fulfill your soul, okay? It's going to make you feel amazing. You're going to wake up every single day, you're going to feel good about yourself, you're going to do whatever needs to be done, and life is going to show up with a purpose. Now, life's always working for you, okay? It's not working against you. It's always working for you, but you just have to first take that action yourself and try to work on yourself. Now, this may be hard. It's a hard message to listen to if you're someone who's always been negative to yourself, someone who really hasn't been good to yourself at all. You have to reprogram this, change up your mindset, and start learning how you can be good to yourself. Okay, you don't need to listen to everyone else. You don't need to, just because you were brought up in a certain way of programming doesn't mean you're going to be stuck like this for the rest of your life, unless you choose to. You can reprogram your own mind, and you can change the way that you are, completely transform your life. Okay, but everything starts from a slow process. Starts, at the beginning. You can't go from the beginning all the way to the top. You've got to start somewhere, and you just have to take action to whatever it is. So I'm sharing this message because this is something that I struggle with. Being authentic to myself, always struggled with it. Now, I knew I was different when I was young, but what I done, I always tried to fit in with other people, and it was shit. It wasn't good at all. And it doesn't matter what I was surrounded with. Could be surrounded with cars, money, houses. It doesn't matter. It wasn't fulfilling at all, because that wasn't part of my process. It wasn't a part of my purpose in life. Okay? So always work towards authenticity. Find out what you really want to do and go ahead and do it. And don't ever listen to anyone else. If people are there judging you, it's because they cannot do what you are willing to do. Okay, they're stuck in a fear-based mindset. Now, you could be there as well, but you can change that. You can change that fear. You can turn it into confidence. How do we do this? We start taking action. You have to take action to whatever it is. So I thought I'd share that small message, and I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time.